Sweet and salty lovers, I have the perfect snack, appetizer, or addition to any salad. I'm making watermelon bites and they're super hydrating and super delicious. I'll show you why. So for these bites, I'm going to need crumbled feta cheese, cream cheese softened, chopped fresh basil, watermelon pieces, strawberry hulled and thinly sliced, blueberries, and balsamic glaze. I'm going to start by slicing my watermelon and the basil. And of course, you know where to get that fresh produce around town? That's Price Chopper. Next, I'm going to mix my cheeses together using a food processor. If you don't have one, you can mix it together in a bowl. In the processor, pulse the cheeses and 2 teaspoons of basil until it's well combined. Transfer the mixture into a Ziploc bag and snip the bottom corner with the scissors. Take a watermelon piece and top it with the cheese mixture. Then I'm adding a couple of slices of strawberries and blueberries. And what really jazzes these up is a drizzle of the balsamic glaze and a sprinkle of fresh basil. It's just something about basil in a dish that does something for me. It really enhances anything you put it in and brings out such a fresh, aromatic taste with a hint of sweetness. And it's doing all of that for these watermelon bites. Delicious, beautiful, and popping with such vibrant colors. Enjoy, and I will see you all next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.